asked, is there any real benefit or any benefit to taking Renadyl 3 to 4 times per day? Now, the standard dose is 1 to 2 capsules a day. Most people take 2 for a while and then kind of go into a maintenance mode, and they may take 1 a day. But you're familiar with Renadyl, a probiotic designed for kidney patients. What are your thoughts on taking it 3 to 4 times a day?
Honestly, I have had some of my clients do that, but not right away. So with a probiotic, you're getting this in. Yep. With a probiotic, you're getting in this dose of bacteria into your gut to basically add in this healthy bacteria, kind of re-nourish everything, get everything going so that the healthy bacteria can break down the uremic toxins that are coming through the body. And having more healthy bacteria, which research shows that people with chronic kidney disease don't have the same levels of healthy bacteria. And that's one of the reasons a probiotic can be helpful, is to reestablish that healthy bacteria in the gut. But again, if you do it too much, too fast, too soon, you can experience a lot of GI upset, a lot of bloating, you just being in and out of the bathroom all the time. There's a lot of things that can happen. So I usually have people start like on the lower, maybe 1 per day, go to 2 per day, and then we can even do that for a while. We see that how the labs look, and then maybe based off of the labs, we say, okay, maybe let's try 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening, until the next labs, if that's like the one change we want to do. If And this is also like if nutrition is looking good, if I'm not seeing a lot of big like glaring, like this is where we can definitely put more energy in and get more outcomes from, it is an option. Now, Renadyl is a great probiotic and it's on the pricier side, which is why I don't immediately jump to saying, let's do 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening, because that can get really expensive really fast. And usually you want to do that for several months to see the outcome, to see what it's like. And you don't necessarily need to keep doing that ongoing either. So you can taper back down, see how things are, but consider it like another tool in your toolkit. And it's something to kind of test and play around with, pay attention to your body, see how your body reacts and feels to it, and then talk with your healthcare provider as you're making these changes so they can also monitor and see what's going on.
Yeah, and I've been taking Renadyl since 2019, and I put a discount code right there on the screen, and where people can order it. If you're interested in learning more, go to Renadyl.com. They're very supportive of the kidney community. I can call them up and say, hey, I'm going to a kidney walk. Can you help me out, with some things to give away? Because Dadvice TV, I love to give things away when I'm there. And they'll say, sure, we'll send you some hats, we'll send you some shirts, send you some pins, things like that. And I love that they support us in the community. So if anyone's interested in learning more, you can learn more at Renadyl.com.